discuss the difference between the production and operations management. So first basis of comparison is the meaning. Production management connotes the administration of the range of activities belonging to the creation of products, whereas the operations management refers to the part of management concerned with the production and delivery of goods and services. In simple terms, we can say that production management is only concerned with the production of the physical goods, whereas operations management includes both physical goods as well as the services. So operations management is much more wider in scope as compared to the production management. Decision making related to the aspects of production. In production management, we take the decisions related to the production or aspects of the production, whereas in operations management, decision making is related to the regular business activities or regular business operations. Production management is found in enterprises where production is undertaken, whereas the operations management is found in banks, hospital companies, including production companies, agencies, etc. So it includes both production as well as the service firms. Objectives of the production management includes the to produce the right quality of goods in right quantity at right time and at least cost, whereas the operations management tries to achieve the proper utilization of resources to the extent possible so as to satisfy the customer wants. So generally we use the production and operations management together, but there is a difference which we need to understand, that the production management is only concerned with the production function of the management, what to produce, how to produce, where to produce, how to distribute it, inventory control. These are all the activities of the production, whereas operations management includes the production management as well as the services part as well. So it is more wider in scope.